Last video for this lesson. This is about the greatest integer function. Now this has several names. We call it the step function, we call it the greatest integer function, or we sometimes call it the floor function. It's written like this, or sometimes you'll also see it written like that. This is the graph of that function. It's a little weird looking. So let's talk about limits. First off, limit as x approaches 1/2. So that would be right there. Now notice this one, the limit from the left and the limit from the right is going to be the same for 1/2. So we don't really need to talk about that. It's all both going to be 0. But if I look at where the limit approaches 1. So if I'm approaching 1, let's now do both sides because we're at a jump. So I have the limit as x approaches 1 from the left of this step function. So if I come from the left, that's going to be 0. If I come from the right here, that's going to be 1. So the limit as x approaches 1 from the left does not equal the limit as x approaches 1 from the right. So then we can say the limit as x approaches 1 does not exist. And that's your greatest integer function. You still need to do evens on your 1.1 assignment.